Well, hello everyone. It has been quite a minute since I've been on here giving you a makeup tutorial, but here we are. Welcome to April. So the first thing I'm going in with for this baby doll makeup look is the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden. I am using a primer, or not a primer potion, an eyeshadow primer. Because I get really oily eyelids, so you can go in with that, you can go in with a concealer, whichever you prefer, and then I'm going in with a pressed powder just to lock all of that in. And the reason why I do this is because for neutral eye looks, I think it makes everything just glide so much better on the eye. Now if it was for a colorful eyeshadow look, I would just be going in with a primer or with an eye pencil and a primer. It really just depends. And then now I'm going in with the By Mario Master Matte eyeshadow palette, and this is going to look different for everyone. That's why I didn't put specific colors, but I'm basically using a light brown, a medium brown, and then a dark brown, and then that same dark brown I'm mixing with a little bit of black to go on my lash line. And this is a fairly simple look to do. You just need a fluffy brush, a little bit of more of a detailed fluffy brush, which is what I'm using now, and then you just need something to smudge the black and brown liner on your lash line, and that is it. It's super simple. And now I am going in, like I said, on my lash line, and we'll be going in with a little bit of shimmer in just a second. Next up, I'm going in with a beautiful liquid eyeshadow by Stila. This is in the shade Kitten. I'm just going to tap a little bit of that onto my mobile lid. And then once I am done with that, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Space Cowboy. Yeah, Space Cowboy eyeshadow. Tapping that all over my mobile lid again. And then at the end, just to add a little bit of an extra touch, I am adding the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Ritz. This is going to make for the most beautiful and glistening eyeshadow look ever. I used to use it a lot on my brides. I still use it on my brides, but I used to use it a lot on them, and it's beautiful. And now I'm just taking a little bit of that black and brown eyeliner or eyeshadow, using it as a little bit of a liner, just to connect my inner corner to the rest of that eyeshadow. I just feel it's like an extra little detail that you can take with your eyeshadow, and it just looks beautiful. And as you can see, the next thing that I'm going in with is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and then I just take that all over my face. I like it because it's a very gripping primer, as the name states. And then I'm going in with L'Oreal's Lumi Glotion. This is one of my favorite products. It's not new, obviously, but I've been using it more so in the last 6 months to a year, and it has become one of my holy grail products. I love how it looks under makeup. It doesn't make anything look super cakey or anything, and it layers beautifully with all sorts of products. So I am a huge fan. And then I'm going in with this Fenty skin tint. Yeah, it's a skin tint. And I'm just taking that all over my face, first with a brush, and then I'm going in with a sponge. And then right after that, I am going in with my concealer. I'm using two concealers here. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and then I'm going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, just to lighten it up a little bit, because I do like just a slightly lighter under eye. And then after that, I'm also going in with the e.l.f. What is it called? It's the e.l.f. Bronzer and Contour. I know that I have it there on the screen, but I'm just taking that on different points of my face, obviously my cheekbones, around my hairline, on my forehead, my nose, and then a little bit under my lip, and just blending that out until it looks super seamless and like everything has melted together. Okay, next is this gorgeous blush. This is from Morphe, and it is the Cheek Thrills Blush Trio. This one is in Apres Ski. It is my absolute favorite blush at the moment, and it is just so perfect. It has a cream blush, and then it has almost like an illuminator blush topper, and then it has the powder blush. It is so beautiful. The day that I started using it, I fell in love, and I don't think I've used another blush since then. It's just so pretty, and it just adds a lot of brightness to the face, obviously, because it's a bright pink blush, but it also adds just like a lot of life to the face, and I'm a huge fan. So I'm gonna go in with that just to put all the creams down, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is powder my under eyes. We're going in with the same powder that we used on our eyes, which was the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder, and that powder is the best for the under eye. Like, it gives Charlotte Tilbury a run for its money, truly. I love that powder. I've spoken about it before here, I've spoken about it before on my TikTok, on my Instagram, and I love it. Then we're going to set the rest of the face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm late to this. I will never go back to another loose powder, let me tell you. It is so blurring. It is so soft. Your makeup actually feels like it's set. It doesn't feel like your face is so tacky or sticky or anything like that. I am a huge fan, and it photographs beautifully. And as you saw, I also went in with a contouring product and a bronzing product. Technically, the Hoola is more like a bronzing product, but I like to use it more as a contour. And then I go in with the Juvia's Place tan bronzer duo. Sorry, with the Juvia's Place tan bronzer duo. I take that all around everywhere where I actually laid down that contour previously, and then I'm going in with the powder portion of that Cheek Thrills palette by Morphe. And then on top of that, which this is like, oh, it's chef's kiss. It's so good. You have to go in with the NYX Buttermelt Blush in Butter Together. Oh, that is the most beautiful blush combo ever. I love it. You have to use it because it is amazing. And then very quickly on my brows, I'm just using the laminating brow gel from e.l.f. It is my current favorite. And then the Lift and Snatch NYX Brow Tint Pen, just to add a little bit of product there where I'm just like a little sparse on my eyebrows. And then I'm going in with the Lash Extensionist Mascara by L'Oreal. It's my recent favorite as well. I just really like how it lengthens, how it separates, and it just makes my lashes look super thick. I also just added a little bit more eyeshadow on my bottom lash line just to pull everything together. And then I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner in the original one. I'm just taking that on my lips, and then I'm going in with the Makeup Shack lip liner in Nutty Brown. This one's amazing to just add a little bit of depth to the lips. And then I'm going in with my beloved Rem Beauty Bubbly Lipstick and topping it off with Glint of Pink by Morphe, which is the best pink lip gloss ever. And I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you try it out, just let me know. See you next time. Bye guys.